There is a major search and rescue underway for 16 skiers after an avalanche in the Sierra.
The difficult search taking place as the Tahoe area is getting pummeled with blizzard-like conditions. KRON 4's Sara Stinson joins us in studio now with the latest on those rescue efforts amid the worsening weather. Sara.
I just heard back from the Nevada County Sheriff's Office. Search teams are with 6 people who survived the avalanche. They have to travel several miles cross country to get to a command post set up. 10 backcountry skiers, they remain missing at this hour. I spoke with the president of Ski California, who says whiteout conditions and freezing nighttime temperatures are making an already complex rescue effort even more dangerous.
My heart goes out to everyone that's involved there. It's just it's really concerning.
Tracy Nelson, a Bay Area realtor stuck in Tahoe, sharing what many in the region are feeling after a major avalanche. Rescue teams in Nevada County spent Tuesday searching for 16 backcountry skiers trapped in the snow near Castle Peak.
We're just keeping our fingers crossed and prayers and thoughts for this family, of these people.
John Rice, president of Ski California, has spent more than 4 decades in the industry and has taken part in search and rescue missions himself.
They put their life at risk when they go out there.
The Nevada County Sheriff's Office says the avalanche happened around 11:30 a.m. involving a group made up of 4 guides and 12 clients near Donner Summit and I-80. More than 46 emergency first responders from several agencies are involved in the rescue. A snowcat team was also launched. Rice described what they're up against.
These are the worst conditions you could imagine, not just the cold, but the blowing snow. With visibility, it's nighttime. There's just so many things. Hopefully these people, if they know how to make a snow cave and they know how to just stay put, their chance it goes up of being found.
The powerful storm also causing unsafe road conditions. CHP Truckee closed I-80 in both directions over Donner Summit, leaving drivers like Nelson stranded.
I mean, it has not stopped snowing. Pretty intense.
She says she was trying to head back to the Bay Area after spending the holiday weekend in Tahoe with her 2 sons.
We ended up turning around when we saw that it was shut down in multiple areas, Donner, and also dangerous.
Nelson is grateful she found a hotel in Truckee. She's hoping to try again on Wednesday.
It's supposed to get better. It's still going to be, I believe, 12 degrees at 8 a.m. So the ice is concerning.
Rice has this advice for those planning to visit the Sierra in the coming weeks.
You've got to know before you go. Check the quick maps, Caltrans quick maps. Make sure your car has plenty of gas, water. You've got good cell coverage, all those things, because the last thing you want to do is get stuck up here.
The governor's Office of Emergency Services says it is sending additional resources to help search for the missing skiers. The sheriff's office there plans to give another update Wednesday morning. I'm Sara Stinson reporting. Back to you.